a good standard. This one is called Salt Creek.
Yeah. Nice.
That was a good one, JR. That was cooking. That was cooking. You kicked it off. I said, oh, I don't normally play it this fast. We're going to let Andrew sing this song. I know Andrew said, speed it up. Oh, I did. Well, yeah. We're going to get Andrew up here to sing this song for you guys. This one is kind of a tragic story.
It is a he woman. Oh, what's the she woman? I was trying to think of Little Rascal saying. What is it? The Little Rascal. Really? Everybody's staring at me like I'm the crazy one. You guys haven't seen Little Rascals? Yeah. She woman man.
He-Man woman hair. What are you talking
He-Man
about?
woman hair. Thank you, someone.
Sorry, I had to.
You were telling him the song.
Yeah, I had to.
This is like
teach you
one of
the
those
song and
songs.
then finish your story.
He
Working
hated
hard.
this girl, and he did something that Little Rascals didn't. But,
Kill people?
Yeah.
It's a good one though.
Yeah, so we're going to get Andrew to do this one for you guys.
It's one of those hidden killing songs. It sounds pretty, but then if you really listen to the words, it's like, oh man, that was mean. So this one called Waterfall. It's pretty. Let's do it. Secret of the Waterfall. That even sounds better. Secret of the Waterfall. Down by the waterfall, where the waters run so cool, there no secrets ever fall from the lips of a fool. Jennifer was 17, the same age as I, and she had lived next door to us since we were 5. She knew I loved her dearly, for I told her many times, and I looked forward to the day that she would be all mine. school, we thought then wedding bells would ring. But the hand of fate has ways of changing everything. When I walked upon the two of them down by the waterfall, Jennifer and Jimmy Jones, well, they saw me not at all. Down by the waterfall, where the waters run so cool, there no secrets ever fall from the lips of the fool. Jones was married and he had a family, and I just couldn't understand why they did this to me. Both scared at all, and what I do is tell his wife, and their faces turned to masks of fear before I took their life. People thought that Jennifer just up and ran away, and Jimmy Jones, who disappeared, is a mystery today. Here it is. Many years have passed, but vividly I still recall, and only I alone know